Our learning target of the day is students will be able to find domain and range from the given relation and will be able to represent domain and range in the form of a table, graph, and mapping diagram. In math, a relation is just a set of ordered pairs. A relation between two sets is the collection of ordered pairs containing one object from each set. If the object X is the first set and the object Y is from the second set, then the objects are said to be what? They are said to be related. So if the ordered pair X or Y is the relation, and function is also one type of relation. So when you are seeing two numbers written like this, X and Y, this is known as what? This is known as relation. So let's learn about what is X and what is Y. Domain. The domain is the set of all the first numbers of the ordered pair. So what is an ordered pair? If I have two numbers written like this, 7, 9, this is known as ordered pair. Ordered pair. The first number, which is 7, this is called what? This is called domain, or this is also known as X value. The range is the set of the second number in each pair or the Y values. This is what? This is called range or the Y values. Our question says express the relation from a track meet scoring system as a table, as a graph, and as a mapping diagram. So first of all, let me draw a table over here. So I'm drawing a table over here. In my table, I have X values which represent domain and I have Y values which represents range. So my first ordered pair is 1, 5. So 1 will go in my X part and Y will go in my second column for Y. Again, this is my domain, that's my range. So this is 2, 3, and this is my 3, 2. The last one is 4 and 1. So we have done with this part over here, represent as a table. Now we have to represent this relation as a graph. So on the graph over here, this is my x-axis, this is my y-axis over here. So as I will see over here, my numbers on x-axis are 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Please do keep in mind these numbers are not evenly spaced because I do not have a ruler right now because of lack of technology. I am not able to do. Now I'll write the numbers over here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So how a graph look like? When the value of x is 1, what is the value of y is 5. So it will look like this. So this is the point over here which is common to 1 and 5. When value of x is 2, what is y? Y is 3. So if I go like this and y is 3 over here, so this is my point. Value of x is 3, what is y? Y is your 2. So this is my point over here. And when the value of x is 4, y is what? Y is your 1. So what I can draw is in the real world situation, this will be a straight line, and I can draw a line connecting all of these dots over here. Now we have done with graph also. Now as a mapping diagram. What happens in mapping diagrams, you will draw two oval shapes over here. This is your x, this is your y. So I will write my values of x over here, 1, 2, 3, 4. And in this I will write my values of y which I have been given in this question. So my values of y are 1, 5, 3, 2. So I now have to map them. What is mapping? When x is 1, what is y? Y is 5. So I will draw one arrow going over here. When x is 2, y is what? 3. When x is 3, y is what? Y is 2. And when x is 4, y is what? 1. So this is my mapping diagram over here. Next question says, express the relation as a table, as a graph, and as a mapping function. So this is yours work for you to do. So take a minute and try to do this question on your own. So your answer should look like this for this question. I have represented the relation in the form of table, graph, and a mapping function. Question says find the domain and range of the following. So what is domain? Domain are all the x values. In this x values are, I'll write it over here, domain. Always remember to write domain, and domain are x values 2 and another x value over in this ordered pair is 3, and in this ordered pair x value is 7. Range are all the y values in a ordered pair. So it is my 3, this is my -4 and -1. So what are my y values? These are my y values. These are called as range. So let's look at another question over here. We are finding domain and we are finding range. Again a reminder, domain are all the x values. So -2, 0 and -4. These are the x values. That's my domain for this function, and this is my range for this function over here. So this x values again is domain and y values is yours range. Question number 2 says state the relation as a set of ordered pairs, then state the domain and range. So as you all can see, this says set of ordered pairs. So when I'm writing as an ordered pair, it will be 2, 3. Let me erase this. Let me start from the beginning. So I'm writing over here ordered pair. So ordered pair is 2, 3, -4, 6, -2, 2, and the last one is what? 0, 0. This is my ordered pair. Now second part says state the domain and range. So how I can write the domain? Domain are all my x values. So 2, -4, -2 and 0. These are my x values domain. And what is my range? Range is all my y values. So it is your 3, 6, 2 and 0. These are my y values. Now in this case our ordered pairs. Remember what is an ordered pair? Ordered pair is a set of x and y values. So -6, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 9, -2 ordered pair. What is my domain? All the x values, -6, 2, 4 and 9. That's my domain, and my range is all the y values, 5, 3, 5 and -2. Okay, same question, but we have been, instead of table, we have been given mapping function over here or mapping diagram. So my first part is I have to write these x and y values in the form of ordered pair. So I can see 8 is my paired with 7, so 8, 7. 3 is paired with what? 3 is paired with -2, and as you all can see 3 is paired with what? 6 also, and 4 is paired with 5. So that is my what? That is my ordered pair for this question over here. Now what is my domain? Domain is my x values. So this is my x values over here, this is my y values, x values and y values. So let's look for domain. Domain is 8, 3 and 4. What is my range? Range are all the y values. So 7, -2, 5 and 6. That's your range. Let's do this one more question over here. Ordered pair. 5, is paired with what? 5 is paired with -2. Okay, as you can see from the arrow. Now the second one is 3. 3 is paired with 7. So 3 is paired with 7. What else? -1 is paired with 0. Okay, but 4 is paired with two numbers over here. We call them elements. 4 is paired with what? 4 is paired with 4, and 4 is paired with what? 7. Domain. All the x values very easy for us: 5, 3, -1 and 4, and range all the y values. So 0, 4, -2 and 7, those are the y values.